Okay, we have a Haas horizontal machining center, model EC500, serial number 51650. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. The machine has 19.69 or 500 millimeter pallets that are 4-axis capable. You have a 40 taper Cat 40 spindle with a 70 pocket tool changer. There are 2 pallets. Your travels are 32 in the X, 20 in the Y, and 28 in the Z. The spindle is actually new in 2021. We're running right now 3,000 RPM. The spindle goes up to 12,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. Machine also has THRU spindle coolant. Thousand PSI. You have a chip conveyor. Right now we're doing the merry-go-round. It's changing the pallet. We're going to do that one more time. Machine's original paint. That's your X. Your Y. And your Z. And that's your B. Okay, hey, thanks for watching our video.